session, I will update and upload all this recording. So today is our session 0. In this session, we'll discuss only about the LabVIEW environment. We'll discuss about the LabVIEW environment and how can we connect, how can we use. Okay, so let's start. Come into your computer and come here, type here to search. Type here to search. Type here to search. In this type here to search, you will get, okay, you have to search LabVIEW. So now whatever the version you are installed, as I requested you install the LabVIEW 2021 SP1. Okay, so open the LabVIEW 2021 SP1 32-bit. Here I am using LabVIEW 2023 SP1. Open your LabVIEW 2021 SP1. If you want, so you can ask any question anytime. Okay, and for better communication you can use mobile phone to join the session, and you can keep free your laptop for the program and practice. Okay, I'm audible. Okay, close the program. Why it's not working? In again, come here, open the LabVIEW. Let's see. It should not take that much time. In my PC, I have installed the complete version, full version of LabVIEW, nearly 90 GB. That's why it takes so much time to expand. Let's again wait for a few minutes. Okay, please tell me, is your in your PC LabVIEW has opened or not? It's executed or not? Thank you, sir. Okay, I am going to open the system voice. So whatever the question you will ask, that will also come here. Okay, now you can see it is LabVIEW 2020. It is a LabVIEW getting started window. Everybody in everybody's computer, it will be the same. Will get the same LabVIEW working window. Will get the same LabVIEW getting started window for the use and programming. Okay, just second. Allow me one more minute to do some setting. Using that, you will easily able to recognize all the. Okay, so now let's start. It is a getting started window of your LabVIEW. Okay, when you will open this LabVIEW, you will come to this place. In this getting started window, you are getting the create project, open existing. Here in the top ribbon, you will get the file. Inside the file, you will get a new VI, new, open, create project, open project, and other. Here the operate, tools, help. I think all of you are getting the same thing. So it is our getting started window of our LabVIEW. Tomorrow we will start from the basic means basic learning. Today we'll try to understand only about the LabVIEW platform. Okay. Now when you will right click on the file, you will get new VI. VI stands for Virtual Instruments, as LabVIEW is a laboratory virtual instrument engineering workbench. Suppose you have one logic and you want to test and perform that logic, so you can use LabVIEW platform to write and develop that particular uh, to write and develop. You can use LabVIEW to write the code and develop the particular logic. Okay. LabVIEW is a laboratory virtual instrument engineering workbench. Here, LabVIEW provides a workbench where you can develop your logic by your own coding. Now, in the file, you will get new VI and here control N. If you will press control N or you will click in new VI, so you will get a new, okay, you will get two windows. You will get two windows. You will get two windows. Okay. Now, one window is gray color grid based window and another window is white window. Gray color window and white window. We call it this window. The name of this window is front panel and the name of this window is block diagram. The name of this window is front panel and name of this window is block diagram. During the program, we need to handle both the front panel and block diagram at the same time. So if you want, so you can try to keep it on the left side and you can try to arrange it on the right side. Every time manually, if you want, so you can do it. Either you can come into the window and you can press tile left and right function. You have to come into the window. You can follow my cursor. You can come to the window and you can click on the windows tile left to right. It will then system will automatically arrange your front panel and block diagram. So this right side window is a block diagram and front panel and the left side window is front panel. I am not going to I am not going to tell you today store and save any program and others. I am just going to show you how we can use this platform. From tomorrow onwards, we'll learn everything step by step. Today, just we'll try to write a random program to to understand about this LabVIEW environment. I'm assuming all of you are just newcomer. Okay, you are just a new student in the LabVIEW platform. So based on that, I will try to teach you. Gray color window is a front panel window and white window is a block diagram window. Whatever the code you want to write, whatever the logic you want to write, so for that you have to use front panel using block diagram. Using block diagram, you can write your code, you can write your algorithm, you can build your system using the block diagram. Front panel will help you to interact with your block diagram. Right now you are using one laptop or desktop. Okay, in the laptop you are getting one keypad, okay, one touchpad for cursor and other, and one screen. Keypad, touchpad and screen are making your front panel. Using keypad, touchpad and screen, you can utilize your computer. So it's make block diagram, it's make front panel, and whatever the circuit wires are available, these are present inside the computer, so those are comes under the block diagram. So in the front panel you can write and design a structure to interact with the block diagram. When you will right click on the front panel, you will get a control. Are you getting a control? right click on the block diagram. Are you getting the control?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. When you will right click on the block diagram, you will get a function palette. You will get a function palette. Here you will get a function palette. When you will right click on the block diagram, you will get a function palette, and whenever you will right click on the front panel, you will get a control palette. Clear? Now, front panel, when you will right click the, you will get control palette, you will get function palette. Let's see. In the control palette, you will get different kind of different kinds of data types, different kind of controllers. Front panel is for the controls and indicators. To give input and to take output, we use front panel. And to write a code, we use block diagram. So come in, right click and come into the first numeric. When you will come into the numeric, you will get a various numeric option. The first one is numeric control. How can you come? Right click and come into the numeric. The first one is numeric control. Take a numeric control and place here. Right click, come into numeric, take a numeric control, right click, come here, take a numeric control and place here. Now you can see both are the numeric controls. We have taken this numeric control in the front panel and automatically two terminal appears on the block diagram. You can move these controls. You can increase the size from left to right for this control. You can move this control also left and right and top and bottom. You can move this control easily left to right and top and bottom. Please let me know if you are able to handle the numeric control properly. If you are able to handle the numeric control properly, then let's see what control can do. Control has one increment and decrement button. By clicking, you can increase the numbers, and by clicking this decrement button, you can decrease the value. Same you can do here. By clicking this one, you can increase the value and you can decrease the value. Controls means give the value. Again, right click here, come to numeric indicator and place here. This indicator will display the numbers. When you will take a numeric indicator, automatically you will get a numeric indicator terminal on the block diagram. Right click, try to take the different kind of the indicators. Take a gauge kind of the indicator here. Gauge kind of the indicator. So gauge kind of the indicator it will take. Okay. So these are the numeric controls. These are the numeric indicators. It will display your result, your value. Okay. Now come into the block diagram. You can see here the control has the output node. The controls has output node and indicator has input node. You can see here, you can see here the control has arrow, outwards arrow, and indicator has inwards arrow. So you can easily connect control and indicator by your wiring. You have to click on this node and try to connect. After that, please try. If you're able to do, then please let me know. If you're not able to do, then also you can reply here. Hello, sir. Have you done?
Yes,
Great.
it's done.
Now you can see here. This one is the run button. Are you able to see the run button? Run button in your top of the ribbon. Run button. It is run continuously. Run run means simulate, and run continuously means simulate continuously. Right now, we are not using any loop, for loop and while loop, so we can use this run continue button. But when we will use the when we will use the for and while loop, at that time we can at that time just a second. Uh, at that time, okay, we will try to avoid the uses of this run button, run continuously button. Now press the run button. Now you can see it's the whatever the data we have given, it's displaying the same data. Here, if I will write the 7 and I will run, so it will display the value 7. Let's try to press the run continuously button and try to check. LabVIEW is the easiest programming language. Uh, in my last 10 to 15 years, after during my BTech and after BTech, I found LabVIEW the most easiest programming language where you no need to write your text base, text code or anything. You need to just install the software and you can write your command and you can check your output. And less than 0, it will not show. Okay. And greater than 10, this display will not show. This display is only bounded for 0 to 10. But this display is not bounded. If you want, so you can write 98764 numbers and it will display the same value. Are you able to take the controls and able to connect these kind of controls? Great. As I said, today is the session 0. So you can take your time and you can make a connection. You will try to now you can press Control A on the block diagram and you can delete. You can press Control A and you can press the delete button. Okay, can we go ahead? Okay. Now, again, come here, take a numeric control here. Now, try to change the name, input, input. Take another numeric indicator, tank, and just make a connection like this. Now, you can see here in the block diagram, you will able to find the run continuously, here abort button, abort, and pause button. Run, run continuously, abort, pause button, and execute, highlight execution button, highlight execution button. Now, you can see here in this tank, we can only display the value from we can only display the value from 0 to 10. Suppose you want to write display the value 0 to 20, 0 to 200. Let's take the 0 to 50 only. 0 to 50. Okay, 0 to 50. So just double click on this value and you can change it. You can change it. Just double click and you can easily change it. Now, in the block diagram, as I mentioned, there is run button, a run continuously button, abort button, pause button, and execution highlight button. As I mentioned, when you will press run continue button, so you cannot stop the program because it will simulate your program continuously. So to stop your program, you need to press this abort execution. Using this abort your execution, you can stop your program. Let's run abort. Now coming to the block diagram, when we'll click anything, whenever we will click any value or will put any value in this numeric control, at the same time it will register that value inside this terminal. These okay, control and control terminal are connected internally. It is a just part of the programming, and you no need to worry how data will flow. As in our computer, there is one specific port or terminal for our mouse. Just you have to connect the mouse on that port, and that port will start reading your mouse data, mouse click data. Okay, because for that some programming is present inside the mouse and some programming is present inside your computer. Let's press the run continuous execution highlight button. When you will place highlight execution button, whenever you will place highlight execution button, and you will press the run continuously, so you can see here how data is transferring from input to the output. In the runtime, you can change your data and you can see the effect. Now, to stop, you can press the exit stop execution button. In everybody's block diagram, every time this highlight execution will show when okay. Suppose if I will run this program, so you can see here the highlight execution is showing. This one is then you have to press the highlight execution button. Okay, let's come into the another section. I think it's clear for all of you. Okay, great. Here you can see there is one string control is here. String control. You can see the Boolean controls. There is graph, sorry, array, cluster, waveform graph, charts, and others. But I will not okay bother you to do today. Today just will use the numeric. Come into the take a numeric control. Give the name A. Again come here and take a numeric control. Give the name B. Again right click and take a numeric indicator, and you can change the name A plus A plus B. Have you done, sir? Now let's try to write a program for the addition of two number. Now the time is work on the block diagram. When you will right click on the block diagram, you will get a function palette. In this function palette, you will get structure, array. Inside the structure, you will get for loop, while loop, case structure, event structure, sequence structure. Okay, sequence structure, formula nodes, and others. There is an array related function palette. Here, you will get the numeric related function palette, numeric related function. Here you will get Boolean related function. You will get a string related function and other comparison functions you will get. Right click. When you will right click, it will open a function palette. In this function palette, the first column, second number. This one is the first column, second column, third column. First column, second number, or second column, second row, first number. First column, second number, numeric is there. And in the numeric, first column, first row, add function is here. Add. Take the add function and place here. Right click, come here, come to the add and place here. Have you done, sir? Now, if you have done, then right click on, it is my function. Right click on the function. When you will right click on this function, you will get a shortcut menu. You will get a shortcut menu. In the shortcut menu, the first one is visible item. You can open the label and try to make a connection like this. Make a terminal node to the function node. Connect the terminal node to the function node. Connect the function node to the terminal node. Now open the execution highlight, run the run continuously program and change the value. 1 plus 2 is equal to 4. Hello. Now, if you want, so you can change the value. Done. Okay. Come here. Let's stop the about the program. Now we'll try to design our function generator, our own function generator. We'll try to design our own function generator here. So for the function generator, we need to come to the numeric, and there is knob. Are you able to see this knob? Right click, come here. Are you able to see the knob? Take the knob, amplitude, AMPL amplitude. Right click, take one more node, frequency. Right click, okay. Please try amplitude and frequency. I think you have done, right? Hello. If you have done, then right click here. Yeah. Have you done, sir? Then right click here. Right click on the front panel. In the third column, second number graph is there. Third column, second number graph. First row, second number. First, पहला आना है third column, second number. Then you have to come first row, second number. Waveform graph. Take a waveform graph and place here. Take a waveform graph and place here. Right click, come into the boolean. Are you able to see the? Are you able to find the boolean? Right click on the and come into the boolean. Where is the stop button in the boolean? Third column, fourth number. Stop button. Third column, fourth number. Stop button. Take the stop button and place here. Hmm. If we need anything extra, so we'll select later. Now, right click, come here, come into the block diagram. Right click, come to the block diagram. And this block diagram, the first one is what? Structure. Are you able to see the structure? In this structure, while loop is there. And take a while loop and try to cover all the product. You can invest your few minutes and then connect stop button with this. Hmm. Other person? Thank you, sir. And now, right click here, right click on the front block diagram. You will get the function palette. In this function palette, scroll your cursor. Scroll your cursor top to bottom. Are you able to see this cursor? Are you finding this cursor? Cursor your, sorry, scroll your cursor, and then you will get some new toolkit. There is signal processing is there. Please let me know if you are getting this signal processing. Now come into the waveform generator. The first one is the waveform generation. Waveform generation. Click here. In this waveform generation, the basic function generator is here. Take this basic function generator and place here. Right click, open the label. You have to right click here, open the label. Now, when you will done, inform me. Right click, okay. Right click. When you will right click on this function, you will get a shortcut menu, then visible item, then click the label. Okay, ठीक है sir. Now, press Control H. Press Control H. When you will press Control H, so it will open a context help. Now, Control H, so it will open the context help. Now touch the basic function generator. So it will give you basic information about your particular function. Now you can see here the frequency is left side first, then amplitude. Are you okay? Are you able to find the location? The frequency is first. Frequency. Make a connection with frequency. Make a connection with amplitude. Frequency. It is frequency. Just second. What happened? Just second. Connect the Samsung TV. Sorry, why it's disconnecting? I don't know. Okay. So this one is the frequency. First one amplitude. And this one is output. Are you able to find the output? Signal. Signal is output. Signal out. Done, sir? Hello, hello. Sorry for this network loss. Uh, Hello, sorry for the this problem. I'm again sharing the system. Okay, so are you hello? Are you able to hear me? Now click here. You will get the base signal out. Make a connection like this. Then in this function generator, you will get a signal type. Are you can see here signal type. Signal type is blinking right now in my screen. Signal type. Getting the signal type, right click on the signal type, right click on the signal type and come into the create. In 2021 LabVIEW, you will create here before the visual item. You will get create. Are you getting the create? Then control. Click create control. Click on the create control. When you will click on the create control, you will get this signal type function here. Signal type function here. You will get. Now there is a run button. As I mentioned, whenever we will use any while and for loop, don't use run continue. Just press run button. So press run button. Now you can see you are getting a proper sine wave. But there is only one problem. We don't have any amplitude and frequency. Now you can see we have a amplitude and frequency. We are getting a proper sine wave. My sine wave frequency is very high because the while loop is running very high. I think you are not okay. Again, no one discuss with me, sir. You are doing the wrong practice. This one is the amplitude and this one is frequency. So let's increase the frequency. Now you can see frequency and amplitude. Triangular wave, sawtooth wave, square wave. Amplitude increase, frequency, frequency. 10.1 frequency. If I will press the run continue button, so I will get the signal like this. Then now we have to press the stop button. Stop button. Here we had created a stop button, then press the stop button to stop the program. Why it's not stopping? Just a second. It should stop. Okay. Stop button. Execution highlight. Run the program. Now you can see stop is false. When you will press it, it will generate true and your program will stop. After that, it is clear. So right click here, come into the right click here and come into the export. Are you able to see the export? Right click on this waveform graph. Right click on this waveform graph and come the export place. Export and export it into the Excel format. You will get your data in the Excel sheet. Yes, sir. If your waveform is jumping, suppose keep the frequency 10 and amp, okay, complete 10. So it will be give you the complete 10 signal in a one frame. And you can change the amplitude anyway. Okay, anyway, anyway. And after that, you can easily right click and export your data in the Excel. It is timing. Later we can work on the timing and we can work more on this programming and we can change it into the absolute time. Okay, we'll try to change it into the absolute time. Now, after this session, I will upload this video and I will share the link. I will share few more videos you okay which you can watch, and if you need any kind of the support, sorry, if you want to write any program, so you can use it. Okay, you can take the program and you can perform. I will support some. I will share few more video for just for your understanding, and I will share this video after half an hour in the WhatsApp group. So thank you for joining me. Thank you for listening me. Tomorrow same time. I will be in IIT Ropar. So if time will be fluctuate, if time will be uh, okay, if I will extend it, so I will inform you within 1 hour. So you can manage your time. Tomorrow I will be in IIT Ropar. So if I will be late for any means, so I will update you. Okay, till 4:30. So you can manage your time. Time is the same. अगर कुछ लेट होता है, if I will not get the, if I will not able to reach my hotel in proper time, so I will update you. Okay. It is a basic. We didn't start anything anything. Okay, it is just a session zero. Today's session was just a session zero. Yesterday we had only talked about the how can we install the LabVIEW and from where you can install the LabVIEW. Okay. Already I had shared few video, links on the WhatsApp group. I will again share the same link today. Using that link, you will able to know how can you install the LabVIEW properly. Okay. Thank you. I said, agar kal if I will be late tomorrow to take the class, and if we need to extend from the 6:15 to 6:30 or 6 sorry or 7 p.m. Okay, so I will drop a message at 4 p.m. You can put your question on the WhatsApp group. Okay, I will be reply there. Thank you. Yeah, sir. I have shared again. I am saying, sir. I had shared a few video links. Sir, no, 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 sir. If you will follow, there is, oh, just a second, sir. There is one video link that is the name is LabVIEW Download NI Downloading Package Manager. Go with that video. How to download LabVIEW and install? Don't go on that video. Download LabVIEW Downloading Package Manager. Follow that video link. You will easily able to download and install. If you want, so you can share the screen. I will explain.